Welcome everybody, welcome all traders, day traders, swing traders, hodlers, subscribers, potential subscribers. Welcome everybody. How you doing? Are you doing good? I really hope you're doing good, having a good day, because I have been having a grumpy day, and right now it's just getting right up there. I just did a video on Uniswap, made the thumbnail, upload the video, did everything, then I was gonna watch it and like there's no sound. It turns out my microphone's cable get out, so we gotta do all of it again. But it's good because now I know a little better what I'm gonna talk about. So let's start about that. And by the way, we're doing Uniswap today, man. Uniswap. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and for you new guys, potential subscribers who are here for the first time or second time. The channel is about technical analysis. We do a wide variety of coins, try to find whatever is gonna pump next, and that's about it. We don't have any allegiance to any one coin except Bitcoin, like everybody else. So we just looking what the next pump, you know, pumpalistics. And if you like this channel, man, not now but later, if you like the content, like the video, subscribe to my channel. It just might happen that one day we're gonna pick up your coins, your tokens that you're holding, and do a tech analysis on them. Okay, so let's get started with Uniswap. Uniswap, man, Uniswap, it's gonna pump again, it's gonna pump again. So basically, last time we did Uniswap was here around 9 November. Let me draw a line for you. This was around here 9 November, and I said VOR is some kind of triangle forming here, right? You couldn't actually see the triangle at the time because it was all up there. We had some kind of triangle because of the moving averages, especially the purple one, the 200, and the red one, the 20 moving average. You can see here it went. First of all, it went up and tried to break the 200. It couldn't break 200. Went back down to the 20, found the support. Went back up to the 200. Couldn't break up 200. Went back down to 20. You know, it started going up and down between 10. And I said it's gonna break on the upside between these two because 20 is gonna push it above 200, and it actually did. Pushed above 200, and then it pumped some, and we got some kind of correction over here. And I'm saying right now that the correction is finished, and we are going further upwards. Okay, so that's what we're gonna look at today. Let's turn off the moving averages just for a bit. So basically what's happening now is that we have this sorry about that, we have this what am I gonna call it? It's a correction that's finished with. So basically we had this correction over here. You can see here it downward trend finished with this green candle over here. We pumped up, and now we're going upwards. Right now there's another line you should be watching, and it's I think this one over here, something like this. You can see here that while it was going in upward trend, it broke down above it, but it, like, as soon as it broke down above it, it got this green candle and just shot back above the trending line. So yeah, back in the upward trend, nothing has changed, and this is just by looking at the lines, you know, just by looking at the lines. So somebody might say like, oh, this is some kind of triangle, and this is the triangle we're actually looking at right now, because to start with, you might actually think that this is the triangle, but this is over down here. This is not the triangle, especially because of this green candle over here that invalidated everything over that's happened down here. So we are actually still keeping this triangle over here, and now we are actually gonna try to get up out of the triangle. So let's look at the daily moving averages over here, and you can see here we have only two moving averages, the red one, the 20 moving, and the yellow one, the 50 moving average. And you see here we are getting the cross, man. We're getting the bullish cross on the daily. On the weekly there are no averages, like the price the token has been out that much yet, but on the daily we are getting the bullish cross. And if you see, if you look at, for example, at Uniswap, this is Uniswap. Uniswap also had the exact same, the bullish cross over here. The price dumped, but it dumped because the price of Bitcoin went up to 18,500, and it dumped down one like 1,000 and took everything, all the altcoins with it. So this was some kind of dump that's we should disregard, exactly because of the green candle that came right after the bullish engulfing candle, and the price just continued moving upwards. So technically price was always moving upwards all the time, and we had this bullish crossover here. I'm expecting the same thing to happen here on the Uniswap, to have the bullish cross and the price to actually continue going further up, right? So this is really bullish on the daily. So let's look at the 4-hourly, and 4-hourly looks just beautiful, man. On the just looking at moving average, this look beautiful. You see the 50 is the 20 moving average, and this is the 50 moving average, the yellow one, and it broke through both of them and then just shot back up above both of those, and now it's it tested it and it's keeping above the 20 and 50 moving average on the 4-hourly, and I believe it's gonna continue moving, continue keeping these moving averages and making higher highs. Now look at this. This is another thing that you have to watch out, a bullish sign. First of all, when the price went down, we got a higher low. We didn't go all the way down here, we went out here, so it's higher low, bullish. And number two, we got a higher high from this part over here, not from this high but from this high. So this is the first step, higher high from this, and now we need a higher high over here from what was this, 4.3, 4.227, something like that. Yeah, so as soon as price makes it above 4.27, I think it's 4.27, something like that. Yeah, 4.27, and maybe even test this, the line as support, we are good to go. We are good to go to moon to heaven, you know. So that's really bullish, and that's just looking at the moving averages. So let's look at the MACD right now. On the RSI for the Uniswap, there's not much actually to look at. There's no divergence or anything like that, so nothing bearish. But look at here, we got bullish cross on the 4-hourly, and now the price is going up. And on the daily, we have always we got bullish cross all the way down here and still going up. And you see here the histogram, the moving averages on the MACD are actually converging, getting closer together, but the price actually isn't falling that much. So that's really bullish signal for me. When the histogram on MACD is converging but the price isn't falling, that's bullish for me. So all in all, I see great upside for us as soon as we pass this high over here, 4.27. As soon as that's broken, I think it can go quite high. So how high is gonna go? So I was trying to figure it out, but I don't have any price targets right now. I have no price targets. Like the most, like we're gonna break this. This is gonna be broken like this at 4.6 once it's broken, because this support over down here is broken, the resistance, and now we had this previous resistance that was at 5.6, so that seems like an obvious target for us right now, 5.6. But if it tests the 5.6, it means it's gonna break it. So we don't actually have any kind of resistance. Maybe down here, maybe this is a better target. 4.6 is gonna be big resistance, and if we break that, I think we're gonna try to 5.6. If we try for 5.6, I think the price can actually go a lot higher. But the first step is getting above this line over here. The second step is managing to cross the resistance, previous resistance here. If we manage that, then the target is at 5.6. That's obvious resistance as before, but now we are visiting it for the second time. So this is gonna be broken, and then who knows, maybe top at 8.5 or something like that. But it looks really bullish, and this is bullish as long as Bitcoin is bullish, and Bitcoin right now is at 18.6, and Bitcoin is bullish. So while everything is bullish, this is bullish. But if something happens, Corona wave 2 comes, you know, don't blame me. Thanks for watching. This was a bit shorter video than the first one, but that's fine. It was straight to the point. Again, if you liked the video, click the like button. If you are not subscribed, you're a potential subscriber, subscribe to videos. If you like this kind of stuff, It's only technical analysis. We don't do Elliott waves, we don't do very much Fibonacci, we don't do Gun, we don't do some weird other stuff. It's straight to the point, patterns, moving averages, make the RSI, maybe some stochastic sometimes. Really basic stuff, but it gives us a really clear vision of where the things are going. That wasn't the button I was supposed to hit, but whatever. Here's the music, here's the good news. Okay, man, I need to learn my buttons. Thanks for watching, man. Have fun, don't lose money. GG, bye bye.